Hello, this is Ed Roselle, Pause Marketing, coming to you in a video that for a product review of the P3-OM probiotics. They say that these are very friendly, ferocious probiotics that build bigger and stronger muscles and burns fat without a single change in your diet. Well, okay, but we'll see what's in here, and there is a video, and the reason I'm doing this review now is that because this has been a revised formulation of this product and being released to the public this next week. So I'll let you read through most of this words as it scrolls by, and you can see that there's a lot of good features here touted, lots of good features touted, and we know the good bacteria can battle through and overcome the bad bacteria if the good bacteria is strong enough, but there are indications in certain places where it doesn't get a chance because of people taking antibiotics, things like that. This can lead to more energy, better absorption of food, etc., etc. You can read through this as it goes by here. Way good, way good. Green juices and health foods are probably every diet, but without proper digestion, they can be disastrous to or cause all kinds of pain and problems, bloating and other things. Okay, so you see the advantages of a more complete digestion. In fact, in the video you'll see some things about people that eat a lot of heavy meat. This breaks down the protein into the amino acids quite well. Notice the testimonies here. Lisa says, "I have to tell you, I'm impressed with decreased bloating and water retention after only 4 days of using this product." So that's one person's opinion. There are other testimonies in the video. So anyway, many of the athletes that really eat an awful lot of protein have problems digesting it. It just doesn't all get digested, and there's a lot of it's wasted because it's just not properly completely digested. So this probiotic will break down the protein and convert it into the amino acids that are necessary for our body's growth and health. So this is telling you to steer clear of refrigerated ones. That's old technology. And make sure the probiotics are strong enough to withstand the stomach acids. So my conclusions after all this are that this particular product should become a very good friend of athletes, bodybuilders, and anyone, male or female, that eats heavy meats and has trouble digesting anything. These are very potent. This is what the product looks like, and I hope that you get a chance to see it in an ad or somewhere soon, and when you do, please watch the entire video and make up your own mind. You become a free thinker. Make up your own mind and do with it what you wish. This video is in the description. There is a link that will. It's an affiliate link that will get you access to the product if you want to. So with that, I will say goodbye and thank you for listening, and we'll hope to see you in another video.